afternoon, boys and girls. Did you have a good lunch? Good. Okay, well, go ahead and take your seats and raise your hand when your table's nice and quiet and ready to hear the instructions about our activity we're going to do for math. Thank you. Great job. Okay, can anyone tell me what we've been working on this week in math? You're right. Addition. And what kind of addition specifically? Right. Double digits. Now, you guys have done so well this week with your double digit addition that we're going to do a fun bingo activity during our math time today. Does that sound good? Great. Okay, so I want you to pay close attention, and I'm going to give you each a bingo sheet like this one. And what I want you to do is to write any numbers from 10 to 70. So any numbers from 10 to 70. And I want you to write them in each one of the 24 blanks. There are 24 blanks here. So I want 24 different numbers. So don't use the same number twice. Okay, so go ahead and do that and raise your hand when you're finished. Also, please don't write in the space that says free. Sure, you need help? Okay. Okay, so for example, you see my bingo card here. I'm going to write 11, 13, 20, 25, 40, 42, 50, 60, 62, 64, 66, 67, 15, 10, 19, 21, 27, 29, 30, and 33, 35, 36, 39, and 43. So those are all numbers I thought of from 10 to 70, and they're in no particular order. And I didn't repeat any of them, okay? So now you try it with your own numbers, and don't write in the free space. Great. So I'll just give you another couple minutes to finish. Alright, is everyone ready for the next instruction? Okay, so now that you've filled out your bingo card, I want you to think about some strategies we learned to add without regrouping or using your paper. Can anyone tell me one of our strategies we've learned? Our number line is one way, but what's another way with manipulatives? Yes, we can use our Cuisinart rods if we need help. So let's do a review problem. Do you see at your tables you each have a box of your 1s and 10s rods? Like this. Our 10s and our 1s. I want you to each grab a handful, okay? So go ahead and get some out. Okay, so for example, if I wrote 25 plus 26 on the board, and you had trouble thinking of the answer, who can come show me how to figure it out with your rods? Anybody? Okay, Susie, you come. Yes, that's just the air conditioning. Don't be frightened. Okay, Susie, you come to the projector and show us. Yep, just take your time. Okay, so can you tell us what you did? Can everyone see? Okay, I'll show you on my half. Okay, so that's what Susie made. Okay, can you explain it to us, what you did? Okay, right, did everyone hear that? I'll repeat it for you. So Susie remembered that moving right to left only, we have just 2 place values in this problem. And we have the 1s and the 10s. So she needed, so the 10s was on the left, and Susie noticed that 25 has 2 10s. So we have 1, 2. So she needed 2 10s rods, and it has 5 1s. So she needed 5 of our cubes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. She did the same thing with 26, and there are 2 10s, so we need 2 10s rods. And she saw that there were 6 1s, so we need 6 cubes. So altogether, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 10s, which is how much? 40. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 ones. Does anyone notice something about our ones? We have more than 10 ones, so one strategy we learned is that we can exchange 10 of our ones for 1 10 rod. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 10s, which is how much? 50, and 1 1. So our answer, 25 plus 26, is what? 51. Good job. Okay, so let me just uncross my legs here. Okay. Does anyone still not understand or need me to explain something? Okay, so let's talk about the next instruction. Okay, so I'm going to write a problem on the board just like we did with the 25 plus 26. And I want you to cover the answer on your bingo card And if you get stuck, please use your Cuisinart rods like we just did to figure it out. Okay, so I'm going to leave all the problems on the board, and if you get 5 in a row covered up in any order on your card, I want you to call out bingo, and I'll check your answers, okay? Right, okay, so eyes up here, please. Someone please repeat the instructions to me. Very good. Okay, so we're going to use our plastic money to cover our answers, so everyone take a handful from your box. And I want you to go ahead and cover the free space, so go ahead and do that. Okay, so let's get started. The first problem is 15 plus 11. 15 plus 11. So raise your hands when you're ready and we'll move on. Okay, good. The next problem is 20 plus 30. Wow, that was fast. You guys are all ready so quickly. Okay. Next problem is 10 plus 22. Okay. The next problem is 13 plus 17. Is anybody getting close to bingo yet? Okay. The next problem is 30 plus 10. Ready? The next problem is 50 plus 15. Shh, quiet please. Everybody listen. Okay, the next problem is 45 plus 10. Is anybody getting close yet? Okay, good. The next problem is 13 plus 14. The next problem is 19 plus 12. Oh, you think you have bingo? Okay, guys, don't clear your cards, all right? Leave your cards how they are. Okay, let me check. Okay, let's see. That's right. Oh, I'm sorry, David, that one isn't right. Can you check it? Please check it again. Okay, so go sit back down and just take that one off your card, okay? Don't clear your other ones. Just leave them on there. Okay, guys, let's keep going. Next problem is 26 plus 26. 26 plus 26. The next problem is 33 plus 28. Next is 50 plus 20. 50 plus 20. Ready? The next problem is 40 plus 37. The next problem is 10 plus 14. Really? No one has bingo yet? I'm surprised. Okay, the next one is 30 plus 16. Okay. Alright, he has bingo, so don't clear your cards. Alright, let me check. That's right. And that's right. Okay, great job, Stephen. You got them all right. That's okay, boys and girls. We'll play again tomorrow. But we're out of time for now, so let's clean up and get ready for reading. Okay, I'll give you 2 minutes. Go ahead and start cleaning. Please be sure and pick up any pieces that you drop on the floor, okay? Okay, guys, so your time is up. And now let's get out your literacy folders, and we're going to start on reading, okay?